What's that?
Look, this is so heavy.
Yeah, put it down.
Oh, basic. About me, basic.
He brought you bracelets?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And socks.
Oh, cool.
Socks. Tangled socks.
Awesome.
Ankle socks?
Tangled.
Baby.
Oh, he brought you jelly beans. Those are for a special treat, right? What else? Some books?
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
I want to wear basic.
Okay.
What's this?
I think that's just paper. You want to wear the bracelet?
I want to wear this.
Did you have fun finding all the eggs?
Yeah.
I'm over here. You had fun finding all the eggs?
Yeah.